If your blood pressure is more than 120/75, you may be on the road to hypertension. Try to get the numbers down below 120/75. The numbers are not important in themselves. What is important is that organ damage occurs in the heart, the eyes, the brain, and the kidneys when the pressure is sustained at levels above 120/75. So your doctor is not treating the numbers per se. She or he is treating organ damage, trying to prevent damage in these organs. So find out what your numbers are and try to keep them below 120/75. Pay attention to your weight, your sugar, your salt. I'm Dr. Ken Ned.